Hi, this is Brad with Green Bee Landscape, and I just driving by this job that we did about 5 years ago, and I wanted to point out a few things. This is a very creative way to use concrete and rock, and as you can see, these agave perii have gotten to be pretty big, and the barrel cactus providing some color in there. So in this particular one, we did some creative arrangements of colorful rusty colored rock, and of course the agave. The concrete has been used in a very creative way. So we have the curvy sections of concrete mow strip, and also the curvy little sections of concrete along the sidewalk. So just another illustration on how you can use the different elements of concrete, rock, and drought-tolerant plants to create something colorful, playful, and very professional looking. Till next time, this is Brad from Green Bee Landscape.